amount of heat energy amount of heat energy liberated and a rise in temperature in this process if in number of liquid droplets coalesce to form a bigger liquid drop. So these are the in number of droplets, first, second, third droplet, then nth droplet. They coalesce to form or combine to form a large drop or a large liquid drop having radius capital R. This is the large liquid drop having radius capital R. This is small droplet. These are the small droplets and they coalesce to form a large liquid drop having radius capital R. When n number of small liquid droplets of radius small r coalesce to form a large liquid drop of radius capital R, then the area decreases by an amount delta A equal n dot 4 pi r square minus 4 pi capital R square. Initial area of n number of droplets was n dot 4 pi r square and final area becomes 4 pi capital R square. So here area decreases by an amount delta A, which is n dot 4 pi r square minus 4 pi capital R square. This is the decrease in area in this process. Hence, the decrease in surface energy. Hence, the decrease in surface energy in this process when n number of droplets coalesce to form a large drop is E equal S dot delta A. Therefore, E equal S dot n dot 4 pi r square minus 4 pi capital R square. E equal S dot 4 pi under bracket n r square minus capital R square. This is equation 1. Also, the volume remains constant. Therefore, 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal n dot 4 by 3 small r cube. Initial volume of n number of droplets was n dot 4 by 3 pi small r cube and final volume. And this is the and 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of small each droplet, and final volume of the large liquid drop becomes 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Therefore, capital R cube is equal n dot small r cube. Therefore, capital R is equal n to the power 1/3 into small r. Capital R is equal n to the power 1/3 into small r. That is equation 2. And capital R equal n to the power 1/3 small r is the radius of the large liquid drop. And therefore E equal S dot, it was E equal S dot 4 pi in r square minus capital R square equal S dot 4 pi in r square minus putting the expression of capital R into the power 2/3 into small r square. S dot 4 pi small r square is taken common in minus into the power 2/3. So we get E as equal S dot 4 pi r square minus into n to the power 2/3. E equal S dot 4 pi r square into n minus into the power 2/3, which is the decrease in surface energy. In this process when n number of liquid droplets coalesce to form a large liquid drop. Now, this decrease in surface energy appears as heat energy in the large liquid drop, and temperature of the large liquid drop increases by an amount delta theta. Again, heat evolve is directly proportional to work done in this process. Therefore, H proportional W. So therefore, W proportional H in reverse way. If H proportional W, then we can write W proportional H. Therefore, W equal J, where J is the constant of proportionality, that is J equal 4.18 joule per calorie, which is known as Joule constant, or H equal W by J, or H equal E by J, because work done is stored as surface energy. So since work done is equal to decrease in surface energy, work done appears as decrease in surface energy. Therefore, W equal E. Work done is equivalent to decrease in surface energy. Therefore, H equal S dot 4 pi under bracket nr square minus capital R square divided by J, or mc delta theta. In case of heat energy, we can write mass into specific heat into rise in temperature is equal to S 4 pi under bracket nr square minus capital R square divided by G, where in this case it should be capital M, that means mass of large liquid drop. M is the mass of the large liquid drop when n number of droplets coalesce to form a large drop, and small c is the specific heat capacity of the liquid, and the mass of large drop can be written as product of volume and density. That means 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Rho is the density into c into delta theta is equal 4 pi s divided by j n r square minus capital R square, or r cube dot rho c dot delta theta divided by 3 is equal to s by j n r square minus capital R square. M is the mass of large liquid drop, which has the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Volume into density is equal to mass, and where rho is the density of the liquid drop. Rho is the density of the liquid, or delta theta is equal to 3s divided by rho cj r cube n r square minus capital R square, or comma delta theta 1 was the initial temperature, theta 2 is the final temperature. In this case, delta theta is theta 2 minus theta 1, which is change in temperature. As theta 2 is greater than theta 1, we can say that in temperature increases, that is increase in temperature, delta theta is equal to 3s divided by rho cj n r square by r cube minus r square by r cube. Delta theta equal 3s by rho cj under bracket in r square. In place of r, we can write n to the power 1/3 small r whole cube minus 1 by r. It should be whole cube, n to the power 1/3 whole cube. Since r equal n to the power 1/3 into small r. Therefore, delta theta is equal 3s by rho cj n r square divided by n r cube minus 1 by r. Therefore, delta theta is equal 3s divided by rho cj 1 by small r minus 1 by capital R. So finally, we get the expression of rise in temperature or increase in temperature. Delta theta is equal 3s by rho cj bracket open 1 by small r minus 1 by capital R bracket close. This is the rise in temperature when n number of liquid droplets coalesce to form a large liquid drop. Now we can make a round off or revision when n number of liquid droplets coalesce to form a large liquid drop of radius capital R, comma, number 1, area decreases. Therefore, delta A equal n dot 4 pi small r square minus 4 pi capital R square. This is the decrease in area. Volume remains constant. Therefore, 4 by 3 pi r cube equal n dot 4 by 3 pi small r cube. Therefore, r equal n to the power 1/3 into small r. That is the radius of the large drop. Number 3, surface energy decreases, and decrease in surface energy equal H dot delta A. Therefore, E equal H dot n 4 pi r square minus 4 pi r square. This is the decrease in surface energy in this process, and decrease in surface energy evolved is absorbed as heat energy. Number 5, delta theta equal 3s divided by rho cj 1 by small r minus 1 by capital R. This is the rise in temperature in this process when n number of liquid droplets coalesce to form a large liquid drop.